Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you delete your account on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, then you click here on permanently here delete my account. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on yes, then here automatically it's going to delete your account on your app. So that's all you have to do to delete your account. You just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.